Hey all, this is Eucep again, and I'm going to look at what's in the box again. This time I'm going to look at another 1 to 144th scale high grade from the Gundam 00 series. This is the Gundam Exia Repair 2. Yeah, I'm starting to get quite a few of the 00 series now. And I really do dig the general design of these. It's really a well updated modern version of the Gundam, and as such I really do like it. Especially those clear parts like what you see here in the helmet. I like it how they worked it out into these models. I got this specific version because there were several for sale, but I just dig these energy special effect parts, so that's why I picked this one over the others. Now, anyway, let's see how this kit shows in the box. Gimmickry, probably for the articulation. Looks like he has several pairs of hands, probably. Something about the GN drive. Apparently, I think you can unhook it and then pull it out. That's what I assume, at least. Something about the weapon that he has. Well, not too much special about it. Just looks good. Doesn't look like it has an included display stand. But yeah, you can't have everything. Actually, I should get a few new ones anyway, for the little ones. Number 44. Let's see. 18.3 meters, weighs 56.9 tons. Fairly big. The pilot is Setsuna F. No, it's not a name which I find easy to pronounce, but then again, you usually hear me stutter with those. 1200 yens, so not spectacular, but let's see what it's got. Already see plenty of clear parts, at least for all those parts. Blue, yellow, red, clear, all on one tray. Foil stickers, pretty much everything for under the discs. And probably for the GN drive. Something for the shield to put on here. That's so big, I'm probably going to paint it. Because doing that with a sticker, yeah, that really doesn't work too well. More blue, some white, some dark gray. Actually, I think that's one of the few lesser parts to the weapon. You have this huge part which is so largely covered up with these gray parts. That's just too bad. Alright, second baggie. Ooh, a loose part. That's not nice. At least it's not damaged looking. No. But, yeah, well. Polycaps. A single beam saber, which is needing of some paint as well. GN swords, also needing paint. Yeah, this kit is going to require some more work than most of my kits. And more grey parts with various fists. A second blade. Alright, this is probably the same trade end from an earlier version that he actually has this. Oh well, on to the booklet. And the final bit of this one. Ooh, I like this picture. Yeah. Once again, the front image, but then done by the model. I really like that. Rear, a bit about the final parts, how to use the weapon, how to use the other weapons. You have a loose handle and you can have the complete one. I think there is just one, and you have to choose which one you pick, the large or the small one. Yeah, the shield can use some paint. Let's see what's inside. Paint job, oh, plenty of colors. GN sword, GN beam saber, GN drive, GN shield, the GN sword rifle mode. Plenty of stuff that's possible to do with it. Alright, so this is how you should see it as a gun weapon. Right, I'm not really finding that to look very impressive actually. Especially if you look at this and then at the way this looks, you don't even see a gun barrel at all. So that requires probably drawing in or something. Oh well. Yeah. GN Vulcan also has some weapons in here as well, which you don't really see anyway. Yeah, that's stuff which I find a bit of a stretch. And let's see, versus O Gundam type ACD. Yeah, I'm not sure if those are actual opponents in the series. As I said before, I don't really watch the Gundam series. But and that's one who is on my list of suits I'd like to get anyway, so. Let's see inside if there's anything special. No, it's just your basic building. So, that's it for this kit. Thank you all for watching. This was Eucep. See you next time.